Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We can also attach a transparent sheet to make a frame. Now all the hearts are attached on this frame with hot glue gun. Attach all the hearts on it. We need some beads to decorate it. At the end, we make a hanging knob at the back side of a frame. jute prop, attach it with a hot glue gun, cut a small piece of cardboard and put it on a knot. And now all the frames are ready.